Hey, welcome back to edtech. Today is yet another part of JavaScript Array Method. Today I'll be covering pop and push methods for arrays. Okay, now just so that you don't get confused between the two, I'll be telling you a trick to remember. Okay, so first of all, how do you remember pop and push? Pop, as in remember, when a cork of the bottle pop out, right? So that means remove. So if you associate something with everyday happenings, you will remember that better. So associate pop with something which is coming out. So remove. So pop out. And push, as in push in. Associate it with something which is going inside. So for example, in the case of pop, it's like you are removing the element of the array and this has to be the last one. So pop out. So what gets popped out? The last element in the array gets popped out. So that is what you do when you say pop method. So it is shown by pop and then the parenthesis. It's like dot pop. So this is when you are removing the last element. And this push, when you're pushing an element which into the last index, that is into the array, it will be the last. In the last position you will be introducing or putting in or adding an element, and that will be into the last index position. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's consider a variable with an array. Let's consider an array like this: var pets. Let's consider an array, let's say dog, cat, comma, I forgot the comma, cat, comma again, why is the comma not coming, comma, then again another one, let's say rabbit. Let's just consider 3 for convenience. Okay, then okay, this is our pets, right? Okay, now I want to consider another variable x in which I am going to perform the pop. Pets dot push. Sorry, I want to do the pop first. That pop let's see what happens. So that means ideally I should remove the last item here, which is a rabbit, right? So let's see. So I do document.write x and I look for the result that's printed out. Okay, rabbit. So that means, so when it shows the result, when you do pets.pop and then the parenthesis blank, so it will show you the last element which was popped out or removed, right? Okay, so what if I write here rabbit? So it's still the same. Ideally, you can just leave it blank. Okay, what if... okay, now I want to write the variable again, right? So what I do is, instead of x, pets. So ideally, it shouldn't have the last element since I've removed it, right? So let's check out the result. So it shows dog and cat. Why? Because it just removed the last element, which is rabbit, from the array. So this is what's done when you pop. So let me see when I push. Okay, so instead of popping, I do on the same variable. So let me push, and then I don't write anything here. Okay, and then document.write x 3. Why? So usually in the case of push, when I write document.write x in which the push has been performed, what will it show me? So basically push means it is inserting the last element. So here it will show me the string length. So there are 3 elements, right? So if I push, ideally I'm supposed to mention an item. Let's say I want to push monkey. Let me check it out. 4. So if I include an item which is to be pushed, ideally I have to write the item that I need to push into it. So then I get monkey. So monkey added into the last one. But when I do document.write x, it will show me the string length. Why? Because it's already having dog, cat, rabbit, and if I include one more, so the string length will become 4, right? Now if I do instead of document.write x, the new variable, if I just do document.write pets, which is the old array from into which I had pushed the additional item, then it will show me the added item along with the added item in the last position. That will only be done if I look for pets. If I do document.write pets, because that's the one into which you pushed the monkey into the last position, then it will show me the result with the added. But if I write for the new variable in which I performed this method or operation, by mistake. Oh my God. Okay. If I do this, then what happens? 4. Why? Because in the x, I perform this additional element which is monkey to be added to pets. So when I do document.write x, according to the rule of syntax, in push, it will show me the length of the string. So this is the rule. But if I do the document.write for pets, it will show me the additional item, right? So I hope it's clear the difference between push and pop. Let's check it here with, okay, now after this, if I do pets.pop and then alert pets, dog, cat, rabbit. Why? Because it removed the monkey again. And then if I alert, instead of pets, if I alert the x, it will show me the string length 4, right? So this is how it goes. So I hope you understood. If you have any questions to be asked, you can ask me in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. If you haven't yet subscribed, do remember to subscribe. And those who are subscribed, stay subscribed, share and like this video with your friends and your classmates in order to support my channel. And do let me know if you have any suggestions. And if you have any more comments, how do you like watching this tutorial and how many other topics you want to watch in this method. I'll be introducing more such methods in arrays, in JavaScript arrays. So stay tuned. See you in the next lesson. Bye.